How do you find and fix errors? Let's say I have this function and for whatever reason it is not providing the right result or is crashing. So how do I actually debug it? Well, you can use macros. What you want to do is use a debug mode where you can turn this on or off, and if you turn this on, execute some code which is run in debug mode, which will execute nothing when it's turned off. With this you can add assertions in debug mode that will only happen in debug mode, and this is good for finding memory bugs. Here we are asserting things that are expected to be always true. If the function is misused, then you will know that. You may also want to add some prints so you know where you currently are when you're running the code. Make sure that you're printing to standard error, because if you're using something like printf here, and let's say we have a printf, and then for some reason it crashes here, then it is possible that the printf will not even print. And the reason for that is standard IO functions will have an internal buffer which it mem copies to before it actually does write or read calls. But when we are using standard error, it will bypass the buffer and will always print to the file stream. If you want to check the functions one by one, you can do asserts, and the nice thing about assert is it will print the line number, so you can check one by one. And you can also add more prints, so a print for before every function call. This is not very readable, so you want to add a macro or a function, and it's still not readable but